Have you ever tried to kill a cockroach and failed? Do you wonder why these pests are so hard to eliminate? In this video, we will be diving into the science behind the resilience of cockroaches and the methods that work best to get rid of them. Keep watching to find out how to effectively eliminate cockroaches from your home. Before proceeding ahead, make sure to subscribe to this awesome channel and hit the bell icon. Cockroaches are one of the most persistent and difficult pests to eliminate. These insects have been around for millions of years and have developed a number of adaptations that make them incredibly resilient to extermination efforts. One of the key reasons that cockroaches are so hard to kill is their hard exoskeleton. This outer layer provides the insects with a protective barrier that make it difficult for most sprays, pesticides, and other extermination methods to penetrate. Another factor contributing to the resilience of cockroaches is their rapid reproduction rate. Female cockroaches can lay multiple eggs, cases that each contain up to 40 eggs, leading to rapid population growth. Cockroaches are also capable of holding their breath for up to 40 minutes, which allows them to survive in an environment where most insects would quickly suffocate. This makes it difficult for sprays and baits to be effective, as the cockroaches can simply wait for the toxin to dissipate before re-emerging. Multiple scientific studies have been conducted to examine the resilience of cockroaches. A study published in the Journal of Medical Entomology found that cockroaches are resistant to many common insecticides due to their hard exoskeleton and ability to detoxify chemicals. Another study published in the Journal of Pest Science found that the rapid reproduction rate of cockroaches makes it difficult to eliminate populations using traditional extermination methods. Here are the methods to get rid of cockroaches. Bait station. Bait station can be effective in eliminating cockroaches by attracting the pest with a food source and then killing them with a slow-acting toxin. Physical extermination. Physical extermination services can use a combination of sprays, baits and other methods to effectively eliminate cockroach population. Sanitation. Good sanitation practices can help to eliminate food sources and reduce the number of cockroaches in your home. Caulking. Caulking cracks can help to prevent cockroaches from entering your home. Vacuuming. Vacuuming can help to physically remove cockroaches from your home, and the vacuum bag should be disposed of immediately to prevent the insects from escaping. In conclusion, cockroaches are incredibly resilient pests due to their hard exoskeleton, rapid reproduction rate, and the ability to hold their breath. By using bait stations, professional extermination services, good sanitation practices, caulking and vacuuming, you can effectively eliminate cockroaches from your home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful tips and tricks for life problems.